go pluck some watermelons.
Come on, let's go.
As you look, you can see the watermelon growing here. It's so tiny and sweet. Hi guys, so today we grew a watermelon and it looks yummy. So let's open it.
Show it.
Look, it looks edible. So nice. Let's taste it now. The smell is also so strong. So now we're going to taste test this cute little watermelon. Tastes like a regular watermelon. That's a lot of seeds.
Lot of seeds? Don't eat the seeds. We don't eat the seeds. What happens if we eat the seeds?
Maybe a watermelon grow in your tummy.
A cute little watermelon.
Or maybe you could just use these seeds and plant more watermelons for free and
I'm
get
gonna
them.
taste one. The one I'm picking. Let's see. I'm gonna taste this one. It's sweet.
And I
It's very sweet.
it's very sweet.
It's very sweet, guys.
Very, very sweet.